What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews, and I am excited because I just got this tablet in. This is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus. I want to do my unboxing for you guys and my first impressions of this tablet. So let's check it out. Okay, so right out of the box, these are my first impressions of this device and the keyboard. So the magnetic keyboard backing is probably one of the best features about this thing because this backing is extremely strong. Like it's holding on to this tablet really well. It's going to protect that pencil that's right there. The last iteration of this tablet had a lot of issues with actually this pencil falling off. And the magnet on this one seems that it has become a lot stronger. Like it's noticeable that it's actually clipping on. And when you pair it with that, you're not gonna lose that pencil. Then looking at the hinge, your hinging mechanism is extremely durable. That thing has tons of standing angles, but we're gonna get into a full review on this thing very shortly. I'm just running through some of the things that I've noticed as my first impressions. Now, screen quality. What I can say about the screen on this thing is it is extremely beautiful, and you do not have to dumb your screen down in order to use your 120 hertz refresh rate. You get to keep your same high quality screen and use the 120 hertz refresh rate, unlike some of the phones that they have where you have to actually dumb the screen down to 1080 in order to take advantage of that 120 hertz. You get it straight out of the box. I did not customize this. It came out of the box 120 hertz. So big shout out to Samsung for actually doing that for us. You notice my adaptive brightness just toned itself on down because I got a lot of light in this room. But this thing is a beautiful device. So I'm going to be doing full specs. I'm going to be doing full review, but just what I'm looking at, what I see right now, I am liking it. Now, if you're thinking about getting this keyboard is a full keyboard, has function roll. It actually has a full working trackpad. You don't get a dot on the screen like with Apple. You get a full mouse cursor, and you get that snap. You get that snap letting you know that you are on, and as soon as you connect that, the DeX screen pops up. Get ready to take it somewhere, you're good to go. You want to let it out, you got multiple standing angles with this. and then you just fold your keyboard down and you're good to go. Now I actually have my facial recognition on, and let's see, boom, face detected, and it works from a decent ways off. And when you don't want to use your keyboard, just pop that off and you still got your back protected. So first impressions of this thing seems to be pretty solid. I'm going to be testing out these speakers. I'm going to be putting the screen through rigorous tests. I'm going to be testing that battery. I'm going to be testing out the overall usage and portability, and also the use of this keyboard. So if you guys have any topics that you want to know something specific on, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to try to add that into the video, and hopefully this thing has been able to help someone out. So I cannot wait to come back and give you guys the full spec by spec rundown and my full usage of this tablet. I'm going to use it for a few days. It's an Android tablet. It's a Samsung tablet. So I kind of know what to expect, but I'm looking forward to putting this thing to the test and trying to get the most out of it. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.